Hi! Well, now we're ready for part 1 of these special tips and secrets for new preppers. Now the first thing, I'm going to get right to it, is your water. You don't want to mess around with water. You absolutely need it in order to live. So that's why it's number 1 on our list. Now, but before I talk too much about water, I want to talk about water. I want you to go out every week or every time you have a chance to go to the store and pick up one of those great big cases that has 32 little bottles in it. Yes, and I want you to think about the fact that that has 4 gallons of water. You need a gallon of water a day in order to survive. So that's only 4 days worth of water. Put them in drawers, in cabinets, underneath shelves, inside shelves, under the mattress, anywhere you can find around the house. I don't want you to use any of the items that we're going to be talking about and preparing for until your emergency comes. And what's your emergency? We don't know. It could be you've lost your job, or it could be you've been off sick, or the major income provider is sick and you're going to lose days on your work, and so you're going to need money for groceries. You can rely on your stash. Next item is we need you to buy 4 cans plus, four items that are preserved automatically. There's meat, veggies, fruit, and peanut butter. Peanut butter is so high in proteins, and so you've got something with meat and the vegetables. And so buy those in cans or jars and stash those away just like you do the water. The next thing is dried foods. I want you to buy a big bag of beans. Ours are pinto, but you can, if you find any others that you like, buy them. Big bag. And a big 20-pound bag of rice. I don't care what kind of rice. Bird Dog likes wild rice or brown rice. I prefer white rice. Doesn't matter, as long as you've got some rice. Buy both kinds, so you got variety. Buy as many different bags and stuff as you can. And so stash it away. Pour it into different jars and bottles and hide them around the house until you absolutely need them. But buy what you would normally eat. Don't buy something exotic thinking, oh, well, we'll be able to experiment with this later. No, buy what you will eat. Otherwise, you could sit there forever. Okay, the next thing you need to buy is a first aid kit. Go around your house and collect all the things that would go in first aid. Bandages, splints, ace bandages, flashlight, tweezers, in case the lights go out and you got a splinter, you're going to want that flashlight. You know, anything that can go in a first aid kit. And so you're going to want those in there. And put them in a spot that you can always find them. Usually the bathroom cabinet, under the sink, stash it on the side by the toilet. Doesn't matter, someplace you can get to it fast and you know where it's at, and everybody else does too. We're coming down to the one where everybody went panicked over was toilet paper. Yeah, you're going to need toilet paper, but you don't have to have it. I mean, you've got paper towels in your house, you can use those. Can't flush them, but you can throw them away. Wet wipes. I'm going to start with wet wipes, I'm going to end with wet wipes. So, wet wipes are important because you can use them when you're running low on water to wash your face, wash your hands, wash counters off, wash your pits and privates, and that will stretch your water. So, water, canned food, dried food, first aid, and toilet paper. So, buy those once a week, once or twice a week, once a month, but start. If you don't get started, you're never going to get there. And that's exactly how we did it. A little at a time. A couple of cans here, a couple of bottles there, one big bag on a month when we could afford it. Just get started. And as you get started and you can see that you're progressing down the road, you're going to be happier. As long as you can store up at least 3 to 6 months food ahead of time for each person in your home, you're going to feel a lot more secure with what's going on in this world. And if you can't do it all overnight and buying all that stuff that they're trying to sell to you, telling you how much you absolutely need these pre-frozen stuff and freeze-dried stuff and all, no, you can do a little at a time, just the way I said. So with that, I'm going to leave you, and your next video on this program is right around the corner. So get started with this one so you can start on the next one. And if this helped you at all, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell. Thank you for hitting the like button if you can do that too, because everything helps. And share this video if it's done any good for you. And we hope you have a blessed day. Angels all around. Bye-bye.